right, I'm here with Dan. There's Dan. Say hi, Dan.
Hi, Dan.
I knew he was going to do that. He's got a Ford 100. What year is it?
65.
65. And how much you asking?
I guess 7,000.
All right, he wants $7 grand, and I'm going to take you around real quick, and then Dan can give us the final details, and he'll give you his number. Here it is. 1965 Ford 100 out here. Well, it's what size engine's it?
That's a 352.
A 352, and it's looking bone stock to me. Hear that echo? Woo! There you go, under the hood. And there you go. It's got some rust, obviously, and that's normal for anything you're dealing with in South Jersey, especially.
It's actually a Pennsylvania car.
Is it a Pennsylvania car? It's still kind of the rust belt, though, right? You got to give me that. You got to give me that. You know, I'm not trying to, code any whatever I'm trying to do. I'm going to give it to you straight. But this is what you're looking at, and this is a very rare truck. Pretty cool, huh? All right, so what details do you have for us? What details do you have for us on the car, on the truck?
Well, what do you want to know?
I don't know. So if you're talking to me like I'm just here ready to buy your car, what do you?
It has rust issues,
right.
But you can drive the thing anywhere.
Right.
I drove this thing from near Pottsville, PA, which is like a 3-hour drive from here.
So it just runs and runs and runs.
Oh yeah, it'll run forever. I'll run anything that's in here.
Yeah. So if you guys want a classic truck that could be just an on-the-road project while you're driving her, here she is, right here in South Jersey. Did I explain it well? Did I do
Better
okay?
than anything.
All right, there it is, guys.
You've given me the most attention anyone's given me.
Oh, well, trust me, I'm not the only one giving you attention because there's people watching this right now. So here it is, guys. Truck's out here, act out. Dan just said, how did they get in touch with me? I said, you said your phone number, and he says, I didn't say my phone number. Go, Dan.
Phone number 610-324-4740, or email me nad1961@gmail.com.
All right, there you go. There you go. There's the contact information, and there is the truck. Oh, he's got something more to say.
It's on Craigslist right now.
So the pressure's on.
Well,
is that what you're doing? You're creating a little fire underneath.
Well, I'm just putting it out there.
All right, it's out. Well, it's out there. Trust me.
Okay.
There it is, guys. Back down on Craigslist. You never know. It's right now, end of March 2019. So if you're watching this a year from now, it's gone.